Update to our garden. What's this? Beware of attack gardener.
They're even attacking the garlic.
Micah, gonna get some more bugs. Strawberries.
Some of it's attacking.
Garlic.
Some of it's
Also the garlic, babe, attack.
Something's attacking that too. See? See these things. These leaf hoppers. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get them again tomorrow.
Mom,
What?
the way to be these acorns or squirrel. We're not gonna eat the acorns like squirrels are jumpy.
Yeah,
Like Jumpy, huh? Jumpy has to eat acorns. Jumpy's
if that's alive or not. See how small that is, babe?
Yeah, it's so tiny.
It's alive too. Yeah, spider mite. You need a magnifying glass for some of this stuff. It's so small, babe. But that's what does it. See all this? See all that? The lines and stuff? That's from bugs. Usually it's like thrips or spider mites. They're so small. So the only way you can tell if it's spider mites, babe, is
It's in here, babe. Oh, look.
there's web.
Get some here.
Yeah, that's
What's that?
an aphid.
aphid. That's no aphid, guys. It's an aphid. Wasp spray, guys.
See, if you look at the newer leaves, you don't see that. That's from spraying, though. See the new leaves, you don't see it as bad. The older leaves, like these, you can tell they've been. See, look at this even. You can tell. See how they're attacking that? Them are bugs that do that. Suck the juices, babe. Don't let her touch it.
What's that, babe?
What? This one? I don't know what this one is. Probably not good, whatever it is. If you don't see the webs, then it's usually thrips. This, it could be anything, babe. Usually stuff doesn't attack garlic, but out here they attack everything. There's another one.
Daddy!
That's an aphid.
Daddy, there's something I haven't seen.
That's an aphid. They suck juices too.
Daddy, there's some more.
Yeah. These right here, babe. You get white ones and the green ones on the strawberries.
Michael, what is that? What's that?
Oh, it's a grub.
Ew! Micah, you're picking. Ew.
See, with the thrips though, they like hiding in there.
In the garden. And I gotta eat something.
You got with garlic, you gotta spray it inside to get them good. That's what's happening to the garlic every year, sucking the juices out of them.
Uh-oh.
Look at these though.
Look, flowers of the onion.
Yeah. See this?
Look. Onion.
See the new ones? Not as bad. Damage, some damage from the hail. Not bad though. But look how fat they are. Maybe I'll
they
get
are
some good
so
onions.
fat. Is this big onion?
Yeah, those are big.
What is color of this? Color red or color yellow?
Brown, tan.
Brown, tan.
Once these start growing and they fall over, then the onion's ready. Look how fat those are. Holy cow.
Wow. Wait, huh? Wow, so
Get some good
fat.
onions.
Babe, we can eat this too.
The bulb, when the seeds come
This
out.
one, onion rings.
No, you don't make onion rings out of them, babe. You make green onions out of small ones, but those aren't the
No,
right
it's so
ones.
fat.
Yeah. Wash your hands, babe, afterwards. See, like the hail? Look at that. That's hail damage, babe, from the hail.
Hoy, Sofia.
See some of the broken ones?
Sus, nagkaon naman tagyuta
That's
ani anak.
hail damage.
Give me that delikado man.
What's cool though, babe, is they grow it on the end. You see? Then they fall over. Once they fall over, they're good. The onions, they don't attack too bad, babe. I think maybe because they're too thick. You can see where they... See this, babe?
Yeah.
That's where they attack them. Some of this is hail damage, the big one. See, like the little spots? These little spots, like that.
Ang bata. Nag-fart around ang bata.
Don't let her touch this. This one's a double one. Look at that. Look how back there. You can tell though they've been getting attacked. It's so bad back here, dude. I'm gonna have to work out something and get something to attack the thrips because they come back every year so bad. They attack everything. It doesn't matter. Everything. Certain garlic they like to attack worse than others. Maybe it's just thinner. Like look at this one. The thrips are really bad on this. I sprayed it really good. They're really bad on these.
Daddy, what is this garlic?
Yeah,
Sofia
don't
Kelly.
touch it. I sprayed that stuff. They're really bad on this garlic. This one not so bad, babe.
What type of garlic is this?
It's a rocambole type.
Sofia Kelly.
Yeah, see, not bad, babe. They're attacking, but it's not as bad, babe. I don't know, maybe because it's a wider leaf, it might be a thicker leaf, but they don't mess with these as bad.
Yeah.
For some reason, they just don't.
Daddy. Oh.
We'll see how they do this year. These are nice.
And the other one? At the back, babe. Behind you.
These are the Asiatics.
It's okay?
Yeah. I don't think the thrips attack these as bad, but they do attack them. You can still see. The hail hammered them pretty bad. They're okay. They're doing okay after I fertilize them.
Sofia
Look how
Kelly.
nice this is. See that leaf? That's the way it should look. See how nice that is? I think the ones like these, babe, with the thinner leaves, that's what the thrips and spider mites like better. It's easier to attack.
Easier to attack?
Yeah, they like them better. Certain ones got thicker leaves, they don't
Anak
attack them
kasi
as bad.
pangibot,
This one, babe, the porcelains here,
Ito ka dyan.
you break the leaves and you're going to be
Oh,
upset.
give me that.
Now look,
Stand up, Sofia.
you could see
Aray.
the difference, babe.
Lulus.
The thrips pretty much almost left these completely alone, babe. This is a porcelain. Look
Parcel.
over here, this is a marble purple stripe. Now if you look at these, look at, see? Look at how yellow. That's the thrips doing that.
Yeah.
Spider mites maybe too. But these right here, compared to them, see, they got this area here they were hitting pretty hard. Here, hardly nothing.
This area here, oh, it's nice.
Now look over here. This is the same one as that.
Babe, this area here is nice.
Yeah, it is. Now you look over here, babe. The thrips haven't hit these as hard. Look at this is the way they should look. See that? How nice? These look more like those, but these are two different types. These more upright, babe. This is a
Sofia Kelly.
This is a porcelain garlic, babe. Look how tall it is. These are tall. This one's a nice one too, babe. Look at that. No, don't let her touch none of that. Put it
She likes
back.
taking
But these here, babe.
the labels. Uh-oh, Sophia is not gonna take all the labels. Ang dagway sa atong bata. Ay. Ay, sukuan niya. Ay. Di man go na pwede, anak. Level man go na siya. Di man go na pwede makuha sa atong bata. Kay level man na siya, good. Masuko man na tong anak. Ano, oy. I'll give it to mommy, be. Put it back. Put it back. Come here, come here.
Really, this is year 4, I think it is, or 5 for these. They might be finely conditioned. These are one of the best flavored ones. These are the turbans. Look how, see how these are? They're more closer to the artichoke variety. These, see how these are normally yellow like that, but for some reason, those and those, the thrips really like really bad. And those, the Asiatic ones, not too bad. But these here and those, I believe, are the same. There's 3 different ones. 1, 2, 3 got mixed in. The rest of these are the same as these. But you can just tell, babe, where the thrips hit them. This area here, look. Now look at the same type, bigger. The thrips hit them harder over here. I think they're called onion thrips. Yeah, you could see, look at all the little spots on them. See all that? See all this, babe? That's bugs. That's all insects that do that. Thrips. I don't think so much spider mites, but mostly thrips. Here's a bug right here. This looks like an aphid. That's like,
You're gonna kill it.
yeah. That's like a
How's
white
your
one.
strawberries? Doing good?
We've got about 2 more weeks to go before they start getting big enough to ripen. We keep the bugs off of them for 2 weeks just to get some. These right here, baby, they're doing better than they did last year, but they're still getting tore up really bad. The hail nailed them really bad, and the bugs have been at them. The thrips are really bad here.
Strawberries.
Because they're damaged.
And the other side.
When they're damaged, babe, they're easier pickings for the. Last year I couldn't even get any flowers, but look at all this one. This year it's doing a little better.
Yeah.
They're putting some flowers out. Not if they're too much attacked by the bugs, babe, you might not get flowers. But these got hit bad by the hail.